Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you how to build the Lego sink. So first thing, we're going to start off by a 4x6, and just going to smooth these parts off. If you want, you don't really need a base, but I will use a base. And then take a 2x4 brick and a 2x2 and a 2x4 flat. Place it on top of it. Put it right there. And then take a 1x4 and a 1x2. So like that. And then take the studs. Just like that. And just smooth it off. And floss it. And then place it on top. So then, what you're going to do is, you're going to take a 1x2 corner, and you need a 1x1 corner. Just like that, and then there you go. And this is your Lego sink. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want to, and tell me what tutorial you want me to build next. So, thank you guys for watching, and bye!